Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to for all things luxury and lifestyle. Today, we're untying the laces of curiosity and venturing into the captivating world of footwear. We've got 10 fascinating facts lined up for you about the shoe industry. A realm that's more than just leather and laces, more than just fashion and function. From the colossal size of the industry to the intriguing history of high heels, we're stepping into a world that's waiting to be explored. Ready to step into the world of shoes? Let's dive in. First on our list, the sheer size of the shoe industry might surprise you. It's a colossal behemoth that extends its reach across the globe. This industry is not just about fashion and style. It's a multi-billion-dollar machine that keeps on growing year after year. The global worth of the shoe industry is nothing short of staggering. As of the mid-2020s, it's estimated to be worth over $300 billion. That's right, billion with a B. And what's even more impressive is that this number has been on a steady rise, with an annual growth rate of around 6%. This industry is fueled by our insatiable appetite for footwear, from the practical work boots to the stylish stilettos, from the comfortable sneakers to the chic loafers. Our demand for shoes of all kinds keeps this industry thriving. So next time you pick up a pair of shoes, remember the massive industry behind it. Next up, did you know shoes weren't always designed for left or right feet? That's right, the shoes of yesteryears were ambidextrous, a one-size-fits-all approach, if you will. In the olden days, the concept of having different shoes for different feet was as foreign as the concept of a smartphone might have been. It wasn't until the mid-19th century, more specifically around the 1860s, that the innovation of lasts, the molds around which shoes are formed, led to the birth of left and right shoes. This development, brought about by the Industrial Revolution, was a game changer. It meant that for the first time, shoes could be made to accommodate the distinct shape of each foot, leading to a more comfortable fit and a happier wearer. So, the next time you slip on your perfectly contoured pumps or your snug sneakers, spare a thought for our ancestors who had no such luxury. Imagine the discomfort of those early shoe wearers. Now let's talk about the most expensive shoes in the world. Imagine stepping into a pair of shoes worth a staggering, wait for it, $17 million. Yes, you heard it right, $17 million. That's how much the Persian diamond shoes, a collaboration between Jada Dubai and Persian jewelers, sold for. These stunning heels aren't your average pair. They're meticulously crafted from 236 diamonds, including 2 flawless 15-karat D diamonds. And the shoe itself, it's made from pure gold. Talk about walking on sunshine. Each shoe took over 9 months of intricate craftsmanship to create, making them a testament to masterful artistry and opulence. So the next time you gasp at the price of designer footwear, remember these sparkling wonders. They're not just shoes, they're wearable pieces of art, oozing with luxury. That's quite a hefty price tag for a pair of shoes, isn't it? Moving on, let's delve into the fascinating world of sneaker culture. What started as a niche interest has blossomed into a global phenomenon. Sneakers have moved from the gym to the runway, gracing the feet of models and celebrities alike. They've become collector's items, with some pairs fetching staggering prices at auctions. Sneaker culture has also had a profound influence on fashion trends. Designers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, marrying style with technology to create shoes that are as comfortable as they are cool. Limited edition releases and collaborations with artists and celebrities have only fueled the hype, making sneakers a hot commodity. But sneaker culture is about more than just the shoes. It's about the communities that form around them, the stories they tell, and the status they confer. Whether you're a casual wearer or a hardcore collector, sneakers are a way to express your individuality and connect with others. Sneakers are more than just footwear, they're a lifestyle. Next, we're discussing an important topic: the environmental impact of shoes. The shoe industry has a significant ecological footprint. From the materials used in production to the waste generated at the end of a shoe's life, the industry's environmental implications are far-reaching. Leather, a common material in shoe manufacturing, undergoes a tanning process that often involves harmful chemicals. These chemicals can leach into the environment, contaminating water sources and ecosystems. Synthetic materials like plastic are not biodegradable and can take hundreds of years to break down in landfills. Moreover, the shoe industry contributes to carbon emissions, from the energy used in factories to the fuel burned in transporting shoes across the globe. On the brighter side, there's a growing trend towards sustainable footwear. Many brands are now committed to using recycled materials and reducing their carbon emissions, which is a step in the right direction. It's crucial to consider the footprint our footwear leaves on the planet. Ever wondered why shoe sizes vary across different countries? Let's take a stroll down the history lane and find out. The concept of shoe sizing is more complex than you might think. It all started in England, where barleycorn, a unit that measures roughly 1/3 of an inch, was used. The smallest size was a child's size 0, and each increase in size added 1 barleycorn. Meanwhile, in France, the Paris point, which equals 2/3 of a centimeter, was used. This method is still widely used in Europe. Over in the United States, they developed their own system based on the length of the last, the wooden foot-shaped mold upon which a shoe is constructed. These different systems can cause confusion when shopping internationally. A size 8 in the United States could be a size 6 in the United Kingdom and a size 39 in Europe. So remember, always check the size chart when shopping for shoes internationally. Now, let's take a virtual trip to the world's largest shoe factory. Nestled in the bustling city of Putian, China, this colossal factory is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Covering a whopping area equivalent to 50 football fields, this factory is a veritable city within a city. Every day, this massive facility churns out thousands upon thousands of shoes. It's estimated that the factory's production capacity is a staggering 200,000 pairs per day. That's enough to clothe the feet of a small nation. As you'd expect, the operation of such a large-scale facility requires an army of workers. Over 70,000 skilled artisans and technicians work tirelessly, ensuring that every shoe meets the highest standards of quality. From high heels to sneakers to boots, this factory produces just about every type of shoe you could imagine. So next time you slip on a new pair of shoes, remember, they might just have come from this incredible place. That's a lot of shoes coming from one place. Ever wondered where high heels originated from? Well, brace yourself for an unexpected journey back in time. High heels were not originally designed for the runway, or to add a few inches to one's height. In fact, their initial purpose was far from fashion. High heels first strutted their stuff in the 15th century in the heart of Persia. They were designed for soldiers, believe it or not, to help them secure their feet in stirrups while riding horses. This innovation gave them stability, allowing for better accuracy when wielding weapons. The trend of high heels moved westward in the 17th century, becoming a status symbol among European aristocrats. They were a sign of luxury, as only those who didn't need to work could afford such impractical footwear. It wasn't until the late 19th century that high heels began to be associated with women's fashion. High heels have certainly come a long way since their inception. Lastly, we're discussing the significant role of shoes in fashion. Shoes are the finishing touch on any outfit, and it is important to complete a look with the perfect pair. Often, people look at the shoes a person wears to judge their sense of style. The right footwear can elevate an outfit, adding a touch of elegance or a pop of color. From stilettos to sneakers, shoes express our individuality. They can make a statement, signify our mood, and even reflect our personality. Shoes can also give a hint about our lifestyle. Whether we choose comfort over style or vice versa, shoes tell a story about us. Furthermore, shoes can change the way we walk, stand, and even how we carry ourselves. They can boost our confidence, make us stand taller, and feel more powerful. So, whether it's a pair of classic loafers or trendy boots, remember that shoes are an essential element in making a fashion statement. Never underestimate the power of a good pair of shoes. And there you have it, 10 things you didn't know about the shoe industry. From its massive scale to the surprising history of left and right shoes, the world's priciest footwear, sneaker culture, environmental implications, global size variations, the largest shoe factory, the origin of high heels, and the pivotal role shoes play in fashion. A walk through this industry is a journey of discovery. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury and lifestyle content. Until next time, keep stepping in style.